Repetition, they say, calls for emphasis. I've said it that Nigerians are not smart, but we think that we are smart. I will repeat again. Whenever anybody play you sense and the end result is negative, the person is not smart. The person is either crook, crafty, or cunning. The problem we have in Nigeria is that we claim that we are educated, we know how to speak English, but we don't even know that the application of English word is not as the same as the way we defined it. Wisdom and smartness are synonymous in application and usage. You can't call a politician who corrupts people a smart politician. He's a crook. Who rig election is a crook. It's not like some people saying Hushpap is a smart guy. Yahoo guys are smart guys. They are not smart. And this is why they keep doing the evil, because you promote them. These guys are either cunning, they are crafty, and they are crooks. You should call it what it is. Now, with this definition, I want to tell you why it is wrong for you to be claiming I'm a descendant of Benin when you cannot accept that you're a Benin person. That is the problem. If an Yoruba man in US give birth to a child, the child is automatically a Yoruba person, even though he's a citizen of America. That's why they will call Nigerian American or African American. The father, his location is American, he's citizen of America, does not take the DNA test of his Yoruba-ness or Nigerian-ness in him. Take, for example, Bukayo Saka. He's an Englishman, but his tribe is Yoruba. He's a Nigerian by tribe. That is how it is. If 100 years after, the great-grandchildren start saying they are not Yorubas, they are not Nigerians, because over the time they have stayed in Britain, we now start using the English word, denier. They are denying they are not Nigerians. The denial comes in because the lineage and the DNA test still prove that this is who you are. Now, this is the problem of my Igbo brothers in Delta. Me from Onchubo, and some people in my village, even in my family, including my father and my late father, will be saying, Anya Bonandi Igbo. Manenya yi form, Kifile Igbo as your tribe. None of them in the Delta Igbo or Rivers Igbo or any other Igbo that are claiming that they are not Igbos will ever feel form Benin as their tribe. Because you don't know that Eka or Ebanke or Ndoki is not a tribe, but Urobo is a tribe. Ishan is a tribe, just as Benin is a tribe. That is where the problem starts from. Even if you are in India now watching my video, go and fill a form, and when you reach where the form is, say the form, say, I'm from Enuani. Make I hear whether the Google himself, even more intelligent than you. Google voicemail will tell you there is no Enuani tribe in Nigeria. Rather, Enuani is a sub-Igbo group in Nigeria. Go and check it. Google now becomes smarter than you. Then you start saying, and a person put the information in Google. Person put the information in Google. Even a person say tell you, say you be Benin. Ancestor is a father. Descendant is a son. You can't be claiming my father is a team, is a prince in Benin, and you are still saying that you are not from Benin. No, you should be filling the form as Benin, as your tribe, so that we know say that Benin people occupy Delta and Benin people occupy rivers. That's why I call you Benin ambassador, representing of Benin in Delta Igbo. That is the truth now. But English now, your mate, you don't want to learn. You are claiming you have figures. Somebody is even tagging me, although I don't make video to give you publicity. I won't even talk about it. I know his fans are watching my videos. Come and tell me, how will you fill a form that your father is a prince in Benin and you are claiming you are no more a Benin person, just that your ancestors? How do you feel comfortable? That's why I said I think I now understand that these guys are not even denying Igbo, they are denying Benin. Because they are denying their fathers. They can't be claiming their father is from Benin, Akalaka is from Benin, Ezechim is a prince in Benin, and be denying your father. You guys are denying your father, not Igbos. No, you are not denying Igbo. That is why you are a Benin ambassador. They should give you the title. See, Igbo should not be angry. These guys are not denying Igbo. They are actually denying their fathers, which are Benin. How can you say that Ezechim is a prince? Born and bred in Benin, Igbo people corrupt in name. You are not denying your father because you cannot even fill the phone and put say Benin is your tribe. I'm out of here, Joe.